Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore lead forms with HubSpot and Facebook ads, full guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your HubSpot account. Navigate to your marketing dashboard. Select the ads section from the sidebar. Click on the Facebook ads tab. Locate the ad campaign that contains the lead forms you wish to restore. Select the specific ad set associated with that campaign. Click on the Lead Ad option to view the details. In the Lead Ad details, find the Forms section. Identify the forms that need to be restored. Take note of any relevant data or settings associated with each form. Next, head over to your Facebook Business Manager. Log in and select the appropriate ad account. Click on the Ads section in the navigation menu. Locate the specific ad that includes the lead form. Go to the ad preview and review the content. If any changes are needed, edit the ad accordingly. Return to HubSpot and go back to the Forms section. Select Create Form to start the restoration process. Choose Lead Form as the form type. Input the required information, including name and description. Add fields relevant to your lead generation needs. Ensure the form complies with your business requirements. Customize the form's design for a better user experience. Save the form once you are satisfied with the configuration. Go back to the Facebook ads section in HubSpot. Link the newly created lead form to your Facebook ad. Confirm the connections and settings are correct. Double-check all elements of your ad. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.